Morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, mastering paint. So in the previous lecture we have seen about the paint. It is a software that we can draw beautiful drawings, and we can use different shapes and tools in this software. We have also learned how to start the paint program by double clicking on its icon, start button by double clicking on its icon from desktop, or by selecting start button, all programs, accessories, paint. You will see the following screen. Now we can open the paint program using the icon as well as on the steps given below. Okay, so you will get the following screen when you start the paint program. Okay, we have also seen quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is used to add new button, or we can see the shortcut keys as save, undo and redo buttons here. Okay students, so now we are going move ahead on page number 19 to save open file, to open saved paint file. Okay, we have seen in the previous lecture details about the paint. Now we are going to see how to open the save paint file. The saved paint file can be opened anytime in the future. Select open option from the paint button of paint to open a saved paint file. You will see the following screen. Select the file which you want to open and click the open button. The selected file will open in paint. Now you can make necessary changes in the file. So students, you can make necessary changes you want. Okay, and you can open the file using the paint button. Okay, saved file it is there. When you are clicking on the file button and when you are clicking on the paint button and when you press open, the all the files will you can see there. You can select the file and press on the open button. On the second screen you can see second picture. Okay, when you open that file will open. So this was how to open a saved paint file. Now next topic is setting paint drawing as desktop background. Now in this paragraph we will see, in this topic we will see how the paint drawing can be set on the desktop background. Okay, आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे कैसे आप आपकी ड्राइंग को रख सकते हो. Okay, friends, you must be knowing that you can change Windows 7 desktop by right clicking on a blank area of the desktop and then select personalize option. But if you want to keep the drawing made in the paint on the desktop, then you can do it directly from paint program. Follow the step to keep the paint drawing as the desktop background. Now all of you know that by right clicking there is an option, personal option is there. When you right click on the mouse, the personal option will open, and when you click on that you can select the desktop background there. Okay, you can select the then you can directly from the paint program you can select directly option from this personal option. Okay, now let us see the steps. Prepare a drawing in paint or open a drawing which is already prepared. So you can prepare a drawing or you can open any file which is already on your paint program. Make sure that the drawing is saved, because only saved program drawing can be set as Windows 7 desktop background. So next point is you have to save your drawing before opening it. Okay, before setting as desktop background. Okay, because Windows 7 only sets saved pictures only. Okay, select set as play desktop background option from the paint button as shown here. So in this picture right side you can see you can set here is an option set as desktop background, so you can select from here. Okay, as you can see there are three options to set the drawing as desktop background. So there are three options it is given here: fill, tile and center. So yeah, you can see here three option will be there. Fill, these options fills the entire drawing, entire screen with the drawing. So here you can see that right side when we click on set as desktop background, three options are given here: fill, tile and center. So see three options are there on page number 19. You can see as you have click on setup desktop background. Okay, so when you click here these three options will appear. Now let us see what are the details. fill. This option fills the entire screen with the drawing. So it is whole screen is all drawing, this drawing is all over the screen. Tile tiles the picture so that it repeats and fill the entire screen. Center the drawing in the middle of the screen. Okay, so tile is the picture that repeats the file entire on screen, but it repeatedly that picture is there. Okay, center the drawing in the middle of the screen, it puts the drawing in the middle of the screen. Okay, select the center option and you will observe that the selected drawing is set as Windows 7 desktop background as shown here. Okay, now you can see in the picture, the picture will be like this when you select the center option. When you are selecting the center option, it will look like this. Okay, following screen shows the desktop of the following screen shows the desktop when two options are selected to set the drawing as the desktop background. Now if you select the fill option, you will see that this is the view on desktop and fill option is selected. Fill option will fill the entire screen with the image. Okay, so it will select the entire image with the fill option. Okay, and tile is there. This is the view of the option desktop. When the tile option is selected, this option will repeat the image to fill the screen. Okay, so you can see here, when center is there, there is little amount of the picture is there. In the in fill, it is entirely on the screen, and on tile it is the picture is repeatedly more times. Okay, so three options are there: file, tile and center. Okay, so these are the three options when you are using the paint. Okay, so students, what we have covered till now, we have covered how to start the paint, and we have learned different shortcut keys regarding the paint, right? Control plus N, control plus O. Okay, so different options we have seen all the types. We have also learned how to open a saved file. So now take a we are quickly recapping what we have learned. To open a saved paint file, we have to select an open option from the paint button, and we have to select the file and then select the picture, and we press OK. Our saved file will open. Okay, next we have seen setting paint drawing as desktop background. Okay, and this we have to select first personalize option by right clicking on the mouse. The personal option will open. Then we have to prepare a drawing and open, or we can open the drawing which is already prepared, and we have to make sure that the drawing is saved, and then we can set as desktop background by using select set as desktop background from the pin button, and here it is a picture where it is used. Okay, and in the desktop background we will find three options, that is file, fill, tile and center. So fill, this option is fill the entire screen with the drawing. This will fill the entire screen with the drawing. Okay, this option fill the entire screen with the drawing. Okay, whole drawing will be on the screen. Tiles, the picture so that it repeats the fill the entire screen. Okay, tile option is there, it will repeat the drawing again and again. Okay, and center is there, which puts the drawing in the middle of the screen. So these three options are there, we have seen. So on your book it is already seen three pictures are there. So students, start the paint program and draw this beautiful picture. You can see in the previous lecture we have steps in the book for drawing this 5-star drawing. Okay, so all of you open your computer and draw this 5-star and use this whole option. Okay, the send file option, tile option and the center option. Okay, so students, this was our paint program. Now read this chapter again and start with playing with this software. Okay, so that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.